Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana innaka antal alimul hakim. Dear students, today we will start about the selection sort. Our lecture is about selection sort algorithm. Okay, so what is selection sort, why is called selection sort, and how its algorithm works, and what is the working mechanism of the selection sort. So let's start. Selection sort is called selection sort because in selection sort we select a single location and compare the other values at the other location with this location. So we select a location and then swap the values, the other location values, such that this location hold the exact value, the sorted value. Okay, so therefore it is called selection sort. So in first, from the start we will select the first location, in the next pass we will select the second location, in the third pass we will select the third location, up to so on. This process will continues. Okay, so the outer loop, this loop is used for the selection, that which location you want to select, the outer for loop. Okay, and then we compare this location, the ith location, with the inner loop jth values. Okay, and this process will continue. So in first pass we will select the first location, and then compare the other values. Okay, so for I equal to 1 to n minus 1, what is n? N shows the total number of values in array. Okay, or this shows the size of the array. So in this case 1 2 3 4 5, the n shows 5 values, or n is equal to 5. Total number of values in the array are 5. Okay, so the outer loop for I equal to 1, and this will goes to I less than or equal to 5 minus 1 4. So I will start from 1 and will be incremented and goes till 4th. Okay, n minus 1 goes to 4th. Then in the inner loop, j will start from I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because I is the selected location, and plus 1 means that we will compare the next location values. So the first if the first location is selected, then the j value will start from I plus 1, means for 1 plus 1 2, the second location value will be compared. If I is equal to 2, then the third the inner loop will start from the third location. If I is equal to 3, then the inner loop will start from the fourth, up to so on. Therefore we add plus 1 with the I. Okay, so j will start from I plus 1, the I value is 1, so the j value will be equal to 2. Okay, we will assign 2 to the j value, and this will goes to till the size of the array. So j value will start from 1 and will goes till 5. Okay, inside this inner loop the actual swapping or comparison will occur. Okay, this is the actual comparison. This whole figure is just for a single value of I. Okay, only for the first location, for I equal to 1. This figure is only for I equal to 1. The first location is selected. So j starts from 2 and will goes to 5 if array of the first location value is greater than the second location value. 0 and 9 will be compared. The first location value, that is 4, is not greater than 9, so no swapping will occur. It means that this swapping process will not occur, and the control will goes to the j plus 1. So j will be incremented from 2 to 3. So again 3 is less than or equal to 5. Yes, if array of the first location, this will be compared with the third location. 4 will be compared with the fifth. First location will be compared with the third location. So again 4 is not greater than 5, so again the body of the if will not executed, and j will be incremented from 2 to 4. means the fourth location. Again 4 is less than or equal to 5, yes, the control will goes to this if statement. Again the array value, array of I, the first location, okay, first is greater than means 4 is greater than the fourth location value, that is 1. So 4 is greater than 1, yes, swapping will occur. So 1 will goes here and 4 will goes to the fourth location. Okay, so swapping will occur. Temp will be assigned, array of j will be assigned to the temp, array of I value will be assigned to the array of j, and the temp value will be assigned to the array of I. This is called swapping, means exchange the values with the locations. Okay, so this is called swapping. Now the j value will become j plus 1, so the j value will be equal to 5. So 5 is less than or equal to 5, yes, again the first location value will be compared with the fifth location value. So 1 will be compared with this 0, so 0 is less than, okay, array of I that is equal to 1, that is greater than array of j. Array of j holds the value of 0, 0 is less than 1 or 1 is greater than 0. Okay, again the swapping will occur. Okay, so the values will swap. 0 will goes here to the first location and 1 will goes to the last location. Okay, and again the j value will be incremented to 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5, no, so the inner loop will be terminated and the control will goes to the I plus 1. So the I value was 1, now the I value will become 2. It means now the second location is selected, and now the second location will be compared with the third location, with the fourth location, and then with the fifth location. Okay, and proper value to the second location will be assigned at the end of the inner loop. Okay, and this process will continue until both the loops terminated. Okay, and at the end the unsorted way we will get the sorted array. Okay, at the end of this algorithm we will get a sorted list, and that will be 0, 1, 4, 5 and 9. Okay, hope you people understand the process of the selection sort, that how the selection sort works and why it is called selection sort. Because in selection sort we select a place. In first pass we select the first place, in the second pass we select the second place, at the last pass, that is equal to n minus 1, we select the n minus 1 value and compare it with the n value. Okay, I plus 1, so if this is equal to n minus 1, I holds the value of n minus 1 plus 1, so j will start from n and will goes to n. So at the last pass only a single comparison will occur. Okay, and at the end we will get a sorted list. Now let's go to the implementation of the sorting algorithm, that how the sorting algorithm is implemented. These are the header file, this is the main function. Clear screen means clear the console screen. We declare and initialize an integer type array a and assign the values to that array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values. We assign 10 values to this array. I is the subscript, or this is called the index, and itr, this is also the index. Temp is a temporary variable. Before sorting we want to traverse or access all the elements of the array, so this loop is used to access all the elements of the array. I equal to 1 to I less than 10, so 0, I will start from 0 and will goes to 9 to, so 0 to 9 means 10 values, and will display the I value. This is a single space, means that when we print the values 19 and 161, so there will be a single space 19 space 161. If this space is not given, then 19 and 161 will be printed as 1, and the other values as well. Cout end L means end of the line. This is the iteration or this is the outer loop used for passes. So ITR starts from initialize 0 value, and this will goes to ITR less than 9, means n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1, 0 to 9. So this loop will goes to 0 to 8. Okay, this loop will be executed 9 times. At the 10 times this will be terminated. This is the inner loop. Okay, and the I is started from ITR plus 1. Okay, the outer loop is used for the selection of the location, and the inner loop, the actual comparison is done in the inner loop. So if 0th location is selected, we will compare this ITR value. Okay, we will compare this ITR value with this I. Okay, so therefore we start I from ITR plus 1, and this will goes till the size of the array I less than or equal to 9. 0 to 9 is the maximum location in this array, and I plus 1. So we compare I plus plus. So we compare this this ITR value. Okay, this ITR value with the inner loop locations array of I. If the first value is greater, ITR, the value at ITR location is greater than the location I value, so swapping will occur. Otherwise no swapping will occur, and the I value will be incremented, and this process will continues. Okay, so see out, this is again the traversing. That let's see that the values are arranged in a proper order, the values are sorted or not. So therefore we display the elements of the array to show that yes, the values are sorted. Okay, and the control will goes to the get ch, means get character. This will hold the screen until we click a single key from the keyboard. Okay, now let's see the execution, that whether this will give the actual result or not. Okay, so we go to the Turbo C++ and we want to open the code. So go to bin and then go to selection sort. Okay, so this is sort selection sort dot cpp C++, and this is the actual code that we have seen yet. Okay, this is the last traversing after sorting, and this is before sorting traversing. Okay, and this is the array, we assign the values, and these are the variables. Okay, and this is the actual code of linear search algorithm. Okay, now let's see. Control F9. Yes, 19, 161, 15, 23, 221, and after sorting the values are sorted. If you want to sort the array in descending order, just change the condition, and if here put less than symbol instead of the greater than symbol, and now check the result. Control F9. Okay, so 161, that is the highest values, comes to the first location, and the one that is the lowest value goes to the last location. Okay, hope you people understand this lecture. इसके साथ इजाज़त चाहते हैं. अल्लाह हाफिज़.